featuring the world-famous Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles is ready to become a part of your collection. The turtles are sculpted in various dynamic battle poses. Each brother is depicted with distinct physical and personality features, carefully elaborated by our contributing 3D artist.
Say goodnight to Shredder!
Hero's tension is seen through small details such as pumped veins and clenched teeth. Each Ninja Turtle figurine adaptation took our team around 70 hours.
Here's your ticket, and here's your fine!
The platform for each turtle in the diorama base is a unique puzzle piece.